Hello class 7. We are going to start grammar today with the topic sentences. But before starting what is sentences, I would like to say something that in every language there is a need of group of words to communicate. Such a group of words which can communicate a complete message is called a sentence. तो आपने शुरू से ये पढ़ा होगा कि as it is also written in your book that the form of words that we use for saying something is called a sentence. Sentence usually begin with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Most sentences have a subject and a verb, but and before all these things I would like to say that what is the need of sentence का need क्या है, sentence की ज़रूरत हमें क्यों पड़ती है. So I would like to add that if we want to say something or we want to communicate our feelings or our statements, then we use some words. And it is not only enough to use only words, because if we use only some words they cannot make a complete sense. So to give a complete sense to our words we need to keep them in a proper order. And if when the words are written in a proper order, only then they can give a complete sense. So words in a sentence should be placed in their proper order so that it can make a complete sense. So and there are some properties of a sentence that are a sentence will always begin with the capital letters. जब हम sentence को लिखते हैं तो starting में beginning में the sentences will always be initiate in capital letters, and a sentence will end usually with a full stop or a question mark, or it can have an exclamatory sign. So in our day-to-day life we say many things, and sometimes we have some questions to do, and sometimes we have some suggestions to give others, and sometimes we have some orders to give others. So all these things, all these sentences, all these our talkings are called a sentence. हम अपनी बात को कहने के लिए या किसी को एडवाइस देने के लिए या किसी को ऑर्डर देने के लिए या हम किसी से कोई क्वेश्चन करने के लिए जिन वर्ड्स का यूज़ करते हैं या एक तरीके से वर्ड्स का ग्रुप बना करके अपनी बात को बोलते हैं, वो उसे ही हम सेंटेंस कहते हैं. तो there are some categories